ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾಮಯಂ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ನಾವು 9ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಲೆಸನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ದ ಎನ್ಚಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಫುಲ್ ಇದರ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಸಾಗೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಶೇರ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಸ್. ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. Who did Yudhishthira ask to look for water? Answer. Yudhishthira asked Nakula to look for water. Question number 2. Why do you think Nakula was happy when he got to the place? Answer. When Nakula got to the place, there was a pool of water. So he was very happy to quench his thirst. Question number 3. Can you give a word for transparent which means almost the same? Answer. Clear is another word for transparent. Question number 4. Why do you think Nakula did not obey the voice? Nakula wanted to drink water first to quench his thirst. Therefore, he did not obey the voice of the Yaksha. Question number 5. What happened to Nakula when he drank the water? Answer. When Nakula drank the water, he began to feel terribly drowsy and fell down to all friends dead. Question number 6. Why did Yudhishthira send Sahadeva to see what the matter was? Answer. Yudhishthira had sent Nakula to bring water, but Nakula did not return for a long time. Therefore, he sent Sahadeva to see what the matter was. Question number 7. Why did Sahadev meet the same fate as Nakula? Sahadev also did not care for the warning of the bodiless voice. Therefore, he met the same fate as Nakula. Check your responses. Question number 1. What did Arjuna see when he got to the pool? Arjuna saw his brothers Nakula, Sahadev lying dead when he got to the pool. Question number 2. Why do you think the voice did not allow Arjuna to drink water? The voice did not allow Arjuna to drink water because he ignored its warning and wanted to quench his thirst first. Question number 3. Why did the invisible being longed at Arjuna? Arjuna became angry and shot sharp arrows in the direction of the voice, but the arrows could not kill it. Therefore, the invisible being looked at Arjuna. Question number 4. What was the warning of Yaksha to Yudhishthira? Our brothers died because they did not heed my words. Do not Answer. Your brothers died because they did not heed my words. Do not follow them. Answer my questions first and then quench your thirst. This pool is mine. This was the warning of Yaksha to Yudhishthira. Question number 5. Do you observe any difference between Arjuna and Yudhishthira in their response to the invisible voice? Answer. Yes, there was difference between Arjuna and Yudhishthira in their response to the visible voice. As soon as Arjuna heard the warning of invisible voice, he had become angry and short arrows at the direction of the voice being eccentric. He wanted to destroy it, whereas Yudhishthira was calm in handling the situation. He saw a possible way of redeeming that such situation. 6. Why do you think all the brothers feel unconscious when they drank the water? All the brothers ignored the warning of the invisible voice. Therefore, they fell unconscious when they drank the water. Check your comprehension. Share your responses. 1. According to Yudhishthira, mind in faster than the wind. Do you agree with him? Yes, we agree with Yudhishthira. Second, what is the avoiding which man becomes loud boy all? It is pride. By avoiding it, man becomes loud boy all. Third one, what is the answer of Yudhishthira to the questions who reassures man in dangers? Courage is the answer of Yudhishthira to the question who reassures man in danger. Fourth one, why do you think the Yaksha give Yudhishthira a bone? The choice that the Yaksha gave to Yudhishthira was that one of his dead brother could then brooded wanted to be revived and he should come back to life. Fifth one, why did Yudhishthira choose Nakula in preference to Bhima? Yudhishthira's father had two wives, namely Kunti and Madri. He was son of Kunti and already sorrowing. Nakula was the son of Madri, who was not alive. Therefore, he chose Nakula in preference to Bhima. Truth, he was his loving brothers. He stood for his impartial justice. Sixth one, if you were Yudhishthira, how many questions would you be able to answer? If I were Yudhishthira, I would be able to answer 5 or 6 questions. Seventh one, why did Yama take the form of a Yaksha? Yama took the form of Yaksha because he might see his son Yudhishthira and test him. 7. The sequence of events has been jumbled up. The sun was hot. 1. The sun was hot. 2. Yudhishthira sent. 3. When Nakula did not return. 4. Sahadev also. 5. Yudhishthira was anxious. 6. At last. 7. Yudhishthira obeyed. 8. The Yaksha was pleased. C2, 1B, C2C, 3B. C3. Here are some direct quotations. C3ಯ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. C4 question number first. There must currently be water there. How do you Nakula came to the 1. There must certainly be water there. How do you Nakula came to the conclusion? It was very hot. The Pandavas were thirsty. Yudhishthira was in need of water. He wanted water and just so he told Nakula to look for water. So he told. Nakula climbed and noticed water plants and cranes. So he predicted that there could be water there. Second one. Arjuna wanted to destroy this unseen fee. 4. Why do you think he wanted to do so? When the warrior Arjuna heard the warning voice of Yaksha, he became very angry. It was arrogant. At once he was furious and was ready to kill Yaksha. Apart from this, he was thirsty, so he wanted to quench his terrible thirst. Third one. Yudhishthira himself proceeded in the direction his brothers had taken. What made Yudhishthira take that decision? Yudhishthira was thirsty. He wanted water, so he told his brother Nakula to fetch water, but he did not return. Then he sent Sahadeva, Arjuna and Bhima. They also did not return, so he was apprehensive. With much anxiety, he went in the direction his brothers had taken. Fourth one. Happiness is the result of good conduct. Do you agree with this? Support your answer with an example. When Yaksha questioned Yudhishthira what happiness was, Yudhishthira replied that happiness is the result of good conduct. It is true. If your conduct is good, if our conduct is good, we move towards happiness. We should be needy, but not greedy. When we desire for more, our conduct is corrupted, and so we have we have to face many problems. To give an example of this, they did not want humility, but it was more humble, so he answered all the questions with humility. It is the result of his character. It made him to review his dead brothers. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಲಾಗಿದೆ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Study the words V1. Answer 1. Full or river. Second, overwhelmed. Third, learned. Fourth one, abandoned. Fifth one, alone or single. A, B. V2. Mother, learning, God, mind, happiness. Earth, mother. Friend of a traveler, learning. Third one, power behind the sun, God. Fourth one, faster than the wind, mind. Fifth one, result of good conduct, happiness. After matching, frame appropriate sentence. One mind is imaged to be faster than wind. Second one, the mother is more nobly sustaining than the earth. Third one, learning is friend to a traveler. Fourth one, the power of God makes the sunshine every day. Fifth one, happiness is the result of good conduct. V3. First V3.